Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your background color in Instagram story. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this plus icon over here in the profile to add the story. So let's tap on this. Now you can choose any photo or video you want to add. So let's go for this one. Now we need to know that there is no such option for changing background in Instagram. But what we can do is at first we need to click on these three dots in the top right corner. So let's tap on this and click on draw. Now click on this pen like icon in the left. So let's tap on this and choose the color you want to add and press on this for a while. Now come to the picture you have added. So let's tap on this for a while and you can see the whole color it changed. Now click on tick mark. Now what you can do is go to your gallery back. Now choose the photo you want to add it. Now simply copy this and go back to the story. Now click on this text icon over here. So let's tap on this and click on paste. So this is it. So this way we can change the background of our Instagram story. Now you can simply proceed and share it. So this is all we can do to change background of our Instagram story. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.